You want to start your entrepreneurial journey? Well, let us help. At Powerwash.com, we have a program called Business in a Box. Basically what it is it's everything you need to start your entrepreneurial journey, whether it's kitchen exhaust cleaning or house washing, residential work, and even some commercial work. So why did we come up with this program for you? Well, we do this all day long for a lot of different companies where we've taken our partners that we already have established relationships with, financing, upfitting, custom rig building, and even a dealership where we can get together and build a whole business in a box for you. It's meant to start you along your journey to entrepreneurship. And to be honest, there's a lot of decisions you have to make in the beginning. Once you pick the business you're in, then you have to figure out and finance and pay for, I need a truck, or I need a van, I need equipment, I need a skid. What should my logo look like? Am I gonna wrap my truck, or is that just an expensive addition? Then you need training, how to do the business, what it's all about. Then you also, most people need certifications, and it's always good to be certified. It helps you sell your services. So we've decided to help make that one decision. All you have to do is give us a call, and we take all those things and put it in one business in a box for you. So how will the Business in a Box program help you? Well, there's two different routes. If you're just starting your entrepreneurial journey, it's going to help you make a lot of those initial decisions. It'll also help you be certified, trained. It'll help you make sure you have a very professional look. And it will also help to make sure you get the equipment you need to start the business off correctly. Another thing it does for you is it helps free up operating capital. So instead of going out and buying a truck and buying a rig and really putting a lot of money into just starting your business, this is a lease program where it's going to free up capital for operating expenses. And that's usually one of the things that trip up new businesses. So this program really will help you in that respect. The other path would be if you're scaling your business. Well, you can scale your business and go out and invest in a new truck and invest in new rigs and build it all out yourself. Again, the Business in a Box will handle all of that for you. But most importantly, again, it's going to free up operating capital. Because it's a lease, and it's a long-term, unlimited mileage type lease, it's called a track lease, you're going to be able to use that to benefit your business and free up capital that you're going to need for operating. Because if you're adding another crew, a third crew, a fourth crew, a second crew, you're going to have employees, you're going to have other expenses that you need to cover, especially while it's ramping up for the first few months. So this is really good to free up operating capital and scale your business. You're going to find that all the Fortune 1000 companies, that's how they do their fleets. They're not buying them outright. They're doing long-term unlimited leases. So take a page out of some really big businesses' book and apply it to your business. So what do you get with the Business in a Box program? Well, let's start with the kitchen exhaust cleaning or vent hood cleaning. Well, you get everything you're going to need to start your business, from the vehicle to the vehicle being wrapped to it being totally kitted out with a hot water machine, all the chems you need, all the extras you need to go out and do your first job. And I think most importantly, it includes the training that you're going to need. So you'll have to do some of the training out there. Obviously you got to get out and do it, but we have at the Powerwash Academy a week-long kitchen exhaust cleaning class that's part of your Business in a Box. When you come here for the week, you're going to get to do some on-site work. You're going to be taught by somebody who's been vent hood cleaning for over 30 years, and you're going to get to work towards becoming Phil Acklin certified. Certification is very important because we're talking about protecting property and life in this class. And so the companies that you're going to go bid to grow your business are going to want to know that you're certified by a credible certification company, and Phil Acklin is world class. So you get that as part of your Business in a Box. So the other Business in a Box is residential house washing with some light commercial applications. You could use it for both. What do you get with that? Well, you're going to get a truck. You're going to get a skid that's fully built out to do soft washing and pressure washing. You're going to get all the chemicals you need to get started. You also get a one-on-one if you can come to Fort Worth to pick it up. We'll spend an afternoon with you, helping you learn everything you need to know about your rig. You also get training. We offer at the Powerwash Academy a 3-day course where you come in and you do pressure washing, soft washing. We also have wood restoration and fence and deck staining, and then we have some business tactics and maintenance that you're going to need to know. So as a recap, the Business in a Box gives you everything you're going to need to start your business, and importantly, it includes training so that you get out there and you do it right the first time, get you a total jump start onto growing your business. Another very important aspect is you get certified along the way. And being certified is going to help you, one, know that you're a professional, two, your customers will appreciate it, and it's an upsell or a selling point for your services. Another thing that's very important in this Business in a Box is you're going to be able to put forth a very professional look when you roll up on site, because that truck is going to be wrapped with your logo and your phone number, so it's driving around town advertising your business all day long. You're going to get hands-on training here in Fort Worth at our office, either when you pick up the truck or come to our academy classes, which is part of the program for your business. You're also going to get technical support. You can call us anytime and we'll help you work through whatever you're trying to work through. It really is a business in a box to help you get a leg up or to scale your business quickly. Well, that's about it. Thanks for taking some time with us and learning something. If you want to know more, feel free to give us a call, or you can go to our website and there's a form you could fill out, and then we'll reach out to you and help you on your journey to entrepreneurship or scaling your business. It's Christopher Bland saying happy washing and go out and dominate.